Under Rule 241 of the Rules of Procedure of the Sindh Assembly, I would like to seek your permission in giving my speech in English. May I?
You are allowed.
Thank you. First of all, before I start talking about the budget 2025-2026, I would like to pay tribute to our valiant armed forces, the Pakistan Army, the Pakistan Air Force, and the Pakistan Navy, who have bravely and valiantly given a befitting response to the Indian aggression, this illegal, unjustified aggression which happened in May. I would salute our Jawans who also were part of the police and the Rangers who managed the internal security. And obviously saying that, I would also like to condemn Israel's illegal, unjustified atrocities against the Islamic Republic of Iran, Gaza and Palestine. I would also like to honor our leadership, President of Pakistan, Asif Ali Zardari Saab, my chairman, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari Saab, Adi Faryal Talpur, who have always stood for the poor people, have always thought of them and always fought for their best interests. Now, moving on to the budget, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister, Syed Murad Ali Shah Saab, his cabinet and the government of Sindh in providing a balanced and a people's budget for the 2025-2026. I would like to give all the credit to Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari Saab, who in his grandfather's footsteps, Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, has always provided roti, kapra and makan for the people of Pakistan. Now, moving on towards the federal government discrimination, I would urge that 282 billion rupees of the NFC award has been shortfall and this has not been given to the Sindh Hukumat. This is kind of really disturbing in a way that when Karachi is the biggest revenue provider for Pakistan and Sindh being the second largest contributor in the federal government, we do not get these funds. So I would request the federal government, I would urge the federal government to release these funds so we could do developments in our metropole cities like Karachi, Hyderabad and Sakkar. And just the way, I'll give you an example that the motorway for M6, the funds were relocated to Punjab. Why this discrimination against Sindhi people? I would urge on this floor that the federal government take notice of this and treat us fairly and without any prejudice. अगर आऊं पंहिंजे हल्के जे बारे में सिंधी में ॻाल्हायां त असांजो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सां तमामु सुठा कम थिया आहिनि मटियारी में ऐं क्रेडिट ॾींदुसि सभिनि CM साहब के CM साहब जी कैबिनेट के ऐं मूं रिक्वेस्ट कई असांजे लाइ तहलका अस्पताल जो तमामु ज़रूरी आहे हिकिड़ो मुतालबो असां हीअं डिस्ट्रिक्ट अस्पताल पंहिंजी फंक्शनल करे छॾी आहे पर असांजी तहलका जे अस्पताल जे SNE मंज़ूर कोन्हे थी बट इंशाअल्लाह मूंखे उमेद आहे हिन साल अगरि को गुंजाइश हूंदी त मंज़ूर थींदी छो की असां मटियारी शहर जे लाइ असां पंहिंजे माण्हुनि लाइ उन्हनि खे डॉक्टर्स ऐं फिज़िशियन्स प्रोवाइड करे सघूं उन्हनि लाइ सहूलियत फ़राहम करे सघूं